the air quality has seen one definitive pattern. It goes down with every passing week. The highest AQI or air quality index was recorded between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m., averaging around 400, while the lowest AQI occurred between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. with an average of 231. Both bad. Delhi's air quality in December 2025 has remained alarmingly high, consistently falling in the severe to hazardous categories. Daily AQI levels have frequently ranged between 350 to 400 or higher, with several instances of dangerous spikes above 700. Experts attribute this severe pollution to temperature inversions, low wind speeds, and increased local emissions, placing Delhi among the most polluted cities in the world during this period. Looking at key data from the month of December 2025, mid-month readings repeatedly crossed into the severe category, even as the beginning of the month was in the very poor category itself. Some locations even reported AQI levels above 700. While the beginning of the month saw readings of around 300 to 350, the end of the month saw that climb above 370. On the 21st of December and the 22nd of December, AQI levels hovered between 377 and 393, and that is categorized as very poor. While overnight readings dropped slightly, they remained hazardous, ranging from 318 to 391. Overall air quality situation worsened significantly in December 2025 compared to previous years, prompting authorities to enforce GRAP Stage 4 measures in response to escalating pollution levels. Shockingly, this year, not a single day out of the 356 monitored days met the World Health Organization's safe air quality standards. Health experts warn that the risk to public health is extreme, with increased chances of respiratory illnesses, heart disease, skin problems, and mental stress, especially among children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing medical conditions. Now let's take a closer look at the average daily air quality index over the last 9 years in Delhi. Based on data from the Central Pollution Control Board or CPCB, the numbers show a persistent and worrying trend. Starting with 2017, October averaged an AQI of 279, November shot up to an alarming 368, and December stayed in the severe zone at 319. In 2018, pollution again remained consistently high. October at 268, November 335, and December worsening to 360. 2019, however, saw some improvement but no relief per se. October 233, November 312, and December 337. Then came 2020, the pandemic year. Even with lockdowns, AQI stayed high. 265 in October, 327 in November, and 331 in December. In 2021, October improved sharply to 173, but winter erased those gains. November peaked at 376, December at 334. 2022 followed the same script. October 210, November 320, December 319. In 2023, pollution surged again, with October recording 217, November 372, and December 347. Last year brought a brief dip, but only in December. October it was 234, November 374, and December just 293. And now 2025 until the 22nd of December. These were the AQI numbers. October 223, November 354, and December has already climbed to 350. 9 years on, the pattern is unmistakable. October worsens, November turns toxic, December stays suffocating. And if AQI does not improve substantially in the final week, December 2025 is likely to surpass 2019 and become the worst December in the data set.